Hello. Hope you are all doing well. I believe. So as one of my student, he is also doing very well. Yesterday, what happened? He called me up in the morning and asked me a very common question. He asked me, may I shift my career as a data scientist? I'm really not at all surprised because nowadays everyone want to shift their career into data science, which is very obvious as well. But before we actually think about a specific area where to let's say pursue our career, how to go, we should think about how what exactly mean that data science, right? You may devise into a lot of fields, maybe. So I always consider that you should always think in the point of view of your customers, client. Now just for an example, suppose somebody want to hire you as a data scientist. Okay. Now that somebody is definitely your client, isn't it? Okay. So if it is the case, then what is their expectations? What do you think? What actually the client normally think about if he or she is going to hire you as a data scientist? There are a lot of things, but answer is that answer is your client is also going to ask you the same thing. What? Now I hired you as a data scientist. Now tell me what you're going to do for me. The funniest part is you have a lots of data available once you are into the data scientist mode. Once you are into the data scientist mode, you have lots of data available, isn't it? If this is the case, then it is your responsibility to frame a question for your client first of all, and then provide a proper solution to your client. Now, what is the role of a data scientist? What I'm trying to say is first of all, you should come up with the questions as a client for the client, and then to fulfill client's expectation, you have to come up with the solution as well. It means question is you and the solution is you as well. Bit complicated, I understand completely. Okay. Now the thing is, why it is bit complicated, because once you get the data, if you consider any business, once you get the data, okay, out of that data, normally till date, what we are going to do, we are actually try to extract the reports. It means what normally happen, whenever we load a data into any server, any systems, nowadays into cloud as well, what we expect out of that, whenever we drag any information out of it, it should come up as a reports. For an example, suppose I am as a client, I want to, let's say, come up with the solution related to my sales. When I sales means sales is one of the, let's say, the criteria or a terminal. So I have a lots of data available as a sales data. Consider that one. We have a purchase data as well. We have a product data as well. We have lots of data available. Once you get that data into your databases, obviously, initially, you are going to, let's say, hold your data where into your databases. Once you hold that data into your database, now the job of your database is to extract the appropriate or the required reports. What I'm saying? Reports specifically. So the job of any RDBMS is to extract the report out of it. Till date, we were okay, everything is going fine. Now, suddenly, a term comes, a data scientist. If you can consider a huge amount of sales reports available from, let's say, for a time frame of, let's say, 1 year or 2 years or historical, periodical time frame, whatever it is, a huge amount of data available. Out of that data, I need to understand first of all what the let's say the requirement of my customer. My client is not at all, my client is not at all going to explain me what is their requirement or what. This is up to us to understand the requirement and give the best out of it. Most of the people think that data science is nothing but what? Data science is nothing but artificial intelligence, maybe the machine learning, maybe the deep learning, or maybe the statistic. These are nothing but just tools which actually help us to understand what is mean by the data science and how exactly the data science actually work. So the basic concept of a data science is to predict the data on the basis of your reports. So friends, what I'm going to do now onwards, I'm going to start, I'm actually started a series where I try to explain you the difference between the different datas and how to, let's say, predict. First of all, understand the characteristic of that data and then predict the data accordingly. So this is, let's say, the series I'm going to start now. I hope you are going to, let's say, get a lot of knowledge out of it. I try to, let's say, come up with the lots of real-time scenarios as well, so that one can understand and then decide whether this data scientist career is okay for him or her. So friends, I believe that in my next video I'm going to explain you in depth what is actually mean by a data management and the data science and how these tools are going to correlate with each other. Okay, thank you for that.